Come test drive the 2016 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, all-wheel drive, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, front floor mats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Subaru certified pre-owned vehicles have no secrets. You never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. And when shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.